Click on the link below to get price. The Jasion Roamer/ST electric bike for adults is a standout option for anyone seeking a powerful and reliable commuting solution. With its impressive 1200W motor and 528WH removable battery, this e-bike offers a perfect blend of performance and convenience. Right from the first ride, the robust motor delivers exceptional torque, allowing for smooth acceleration even up steep inclines. The design of the bike is both stylish and functional. The 26-inch wheels provide a stable ride, and the overall frame is constructed with quality materials that feel durable yet lightweight. The bike's aesthetic appeals to a wide range of riders, featuring sleek lines and a modern look that doesn't compromise on comfort. The adjustable seat is another highlight, ensuring a customized fit for various heights, which is essential for long rides. One of the standout features is the removable battery, which allows for easy charging at home or the office. Depending on riding conditions, the battery life can last anywhere from 30 to 50 miles, making it perfect for daily commutes or weekend adventures. The bike also features pedal assist and throttle modes, providing flexibility based on your preference and energy levels. The Jasion Roamer/ST is equipped with front and rear disc brakes, ensuring reliable stopping power in various weather conditions. The suspension fork absorbs bumps effectively, enhancing overall ride comfort. Additionally, the bike includes integrated lights for safety during nighttime rides, which is a thoughtful feature for urban commuting. Overall, the Jasion Roamer/ST electric bike is an excellent investment for adults looking to enhance their commuting experience. With its powerful motor, long battery life, and thoughtful safety features, it stands out in the crowded e-bike market. Whether you're navigating through city traffic or enjoying a leisurely ride, this bike promises an enjoyable and efficient journey. It truly embodies the future of biking, marrying technology with practicality.